Genesys Cloud Outbound helps organizations proactively connect with customers through timely, personalized outreach across voice and digital channels, using both agent-assisted and automated communications, all from a single platform. Whether you're generating leads, sending reminders, confirming appointments, servicing loans with payment resolution, or delivering urgent updates, you can engage customers based on predefined rules, schedules, or campaign logic, not just when they reach out. By initiating communication at the right moment, you reduce friction, improve satisfaction, and drive outcomes like higher conversions, reduced churn, and greater efficiency. Genesys Cloud Outbound unifies voice and digital channels like SMS, email, and WhatsApp on a single platform, enabling efficient, agent-assisted, and automated communications. Let's watch an agent in action when associated to a dialer campaign. With many different dialing modes available, it's possible to only pass calls to the agents after the contact has answered their phone, improving wait times and agent utilization. The same UI and tools they use for handling inbound interactions are also used for outbound. For example, a customer script can be created for each campaign, helping the agent handle each interaction the way you want them to be handled. Agent Copilot will surface relevant knowledge articles, best responses, or next steps based on the conversation in progress, improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. For blended agents, Genesys Cloud Outbound supports them by blending inbound and outbound calls. You can increase agent utilization, reduce overall call wait times, and smooth overall call volume. Genesys Cloud Outbound can also work in an agentless fashion. For example, proactive notifications can reach out in a timely, personalized, and contextual way via digital campaigns such as SMS notifications or emails to save time and keep customers informed. For example, loan servicing companies use SMS messaging to drive customers to their website and then let predictive engagement take it from there with a virtual agent chat and next possible actions. In no time, you'll be engaging with contacts who would have otherwise just blocked your calls from their cell phone. Campaign execution is simple with intuitive tools and centralized control. Let's watch the administrators of GSOL, a solar panel retailer, easily create, manage, and optimize campaigns, freeing up resources to focus on strategic goals while improving the overall customer experience. List management lets GSOL easily manage their large contact list and do not call list by first uploading them into Genesys Cloud. They want to target their customers who are 60 days past due on their payments, so they take advantage of the filter, sort, and split capabilities to massage the list into ones that meet the requirements. Advanced features like automatic time zone mapping will determine compliant dialing times for each contact. With campaign management, the GSOL admins can select the dialing mode of each campaign. They range from basic to advanced. For example, predictive dial is an advanced way to dial calls for agents. A patented feature called staging customizes the number of calls placed and when they are placed, based on each agent's own productivity in order to drive their next live contact. GSOL uses predictive dialing campaigns when they are targeting customers who are over 90 days late. Agentless dialing mode does not use agents. After call progress detection determines if it was connected to a live contact or an answering machine, agentless dialing campaigns can leave a pre-recorded message, transfer to a live agent, or simply hang up. GSOL uses agentless dialing when reaching out to customers who are only 30 days late and for sales campaigns. When a campaign delivers a call to a GSOL agent, a script will pop on the agent's display. The script displays details about the contact, what the agent should say, and provides the controls and input fields for processing the call. After the interaction is over, the information collected by the agent can update the contact record of the customer. GSOL does not want to call their customers at their work number more than once per day. Therefore, they set up their campaigns to use a rule they built in rules management. Rules allow for automation while campaigns are running. Pre- and post-call rules evaluate a condition for each call and then take action when that condition is true. These actions can be things like do not call, schedule a callback, change a field in the contact list, or even run a secure data action using our APIs. And when GSOL builds a digital campaign, they use digital rules for automation within these channels. Campaign rules evaluate running campaigns. as opposed to individual calls or digital message contact records, to take actions such as starting, stopping, and setting the priority of the campaign, or recycling the contact list. The admins of GSOL dynamically changed the dialing mode of their campaigns from power dialing to predictive dialing based on the number of agents that are logged in. Inside Architect, outbound flows can be created to process calls that are dialed by outbound campaigns and result in live answers or voicemails instead of having an agent handle them. All of the values for each record are available to the outbound flow for process decisions as well as text-to-speech audio prompts. GSOL uses outbound flows for appointment reminders when a technician needs to go to a customer site. Campaigns aren't always set it and forget it. They often need to be tweaked based on how things are going. And that's where Genesys Cloud Outbound really shines. It gives you real-time visibility into how your campaigns are performing, so you can make smart adjustments on the fly without disrupting your agents. You'll have access to the campaign performance summary and detail views, which break down key stats like the summary of dials, how many contacts were made, abandon rates, and connect rates. Want to dig even deeper? Let's check out the campaign attempt detail view. This gives you a closer look at every single attempt made by the campaign, along with extra metrics to help you understand what's working and what's not. And when it comes to understanding how calls wrap up, the Wrap-Up Performance view has you covered. It summarizes all the wrap-up codes across both inbound and outbound calls. Since Genesys Cloud is an all-in-one platform, you get the full picture of all your interactions in one place without needing to jump between systems. There are many key benefits you receive with Genesys Cloud Outbound. By automating outbound interactions, the number of manual tasks will be reduced and your agents are able to focus on high-value work. You can deliver relevant messages on your customer's preferred channel and at the right time. You can maximize contact rates and campaign results with outreach strategies that are flexible. And finally, your team can monitor campaign performance in real time with built-in analytics. With intuitive tools, centralized control, and seamless integration, Genesys Cloud Outbound eliminates the complexity of legacy dialers. Teams can easily create, manage, and scale voice and digital campaigns, turning proactive communication into strategic business growth, all within a single platform. To learn even more, visit Genesys.com today.